Hi, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my Potter Studio and another small kiln unload. Elliot has been working overtime and I'm enjoying all these little small things. So let's get this opened up and we'll see how he did. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. So these are some little houses that I've been making, and they will actually get magnets on the back. But again, this is that speckled buff clay that I do not know what it is. The roofs of these little guys are ancient jasper, I believe. I did put a white engobe on just one coat so you could still see part of the buff color through it, and then underglazes for the chimney and the windows and the doors. These are so cool. These are going to be earrings. These I'm going to make little umbrellas, and of course as you can tell, these little guys are mushroom tops. This is stroking coat. Let me see, what is it? Stroking coat, grape expectations. And then the mushroom tops are radiant red underglaze with just white underglaze. Give me just a second to lift that entire shelf out, because what I really want to see is on the next shelf. I mean, these are awesome and cool, and I dropped one of the houses, but he didn't break, so that's okay. The ghosts are on this shelf, and they are so cute. All right, this is my foray. I bought the set of kiwi underglazes. All of these guys are done with kiwi underglazes and a clear Mako gloss. Look at them. I absolutely love Halloween, and I like making ghosts, and I kind of get a little bummed out when I have to put them away. These are cute. My anti-Valentine. I am noticing that some of the white with, and maybe I got a little heavy-handed with the underglaze, there are all is well. There are some cracks in the underglaze itself, and I'm sure that is my issue and not the underglaze. They are so fun. I can see lots and lots of these little guys in my future. If you'd like to see how I sculpt them, I can do that too, because they're the best. I like this little guy. He's got a chicken on top of his head. And then another anti-Valentine with the yellow heart too. Fabulous. They're so much fun. Oh my gosh, they're great. And on the bottom are more of my umbrella tops that I'm going to do, and then the little tiny wood stems for my mushroom earrings. With the umbrellas, I'm going to take some gold wire and make the umbrella handle with the hook. Yeah, so thank you for being here. I know this is really small short kiln opening, but I was so excited to share these guys with you because they are just absolutely fabulous, and I'll do a photo shoot with them. And yeah, thank you again. I hope that you're having a fabulous day and that you do something today that brings you joy. I'll see you next time.